I grew up watching slasher films, and I was a huge fan of the genre, obviously. But weirdly, like comedy, like came first. Like teen comedy was the thing that we both bonded over immediately, like when we first met. And then the slasher thing came second, just sort of as a way to kind of.
Yeah, we had both. I had written a scene just as a sketch, which was basically there's a summer camp slasher going around, and there's a kill list that's published, and then they decide it's by who's the hottest, and then there was a character who was really upset that he wasn't at the top of the list and he wasn't killed. And then I had told Finn about it. I was like, I have this idea, it's like not really formed, and Finn was like, dude, I wrote that exact same scene.
Yeah, I wrote the same scene.